Hey, it's Jennifer Sparks. I'm going to be your tour guide today. I'm back in Atlantic City at the Hard Rock Hotel. It is April 2024 and it is a picture perfect day. I realized I was just here, but they offered me 2 free comp room nights. So, hey, why not? First thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the buffet. It is Monday and they offered me 50% off or buy one, get one free buffet. I'm here with my mom, so we said, hey, let's go to the buffet. The buffet is $39.99, so for 2 people, for a buy one, get one, this is a really good deal. I received the offer in the rewards kiosk under promotions. Other discounts that were offered for dining were 50% off Hard Rock Cafe or 50% off UU Noodle, how to use it on Monday or Tuesday. The Fresh Harvest Buffet opens at 3 o'clock, so we got there for 3 o'clock and there was already a huge line. Many others must have gotten the same deal that I did, or maybe it's just that good, or both. This is the first thing that we did after driving here from Connecticut. We checked in at registration, and we have our keys, but we haven't even gone to the room yet, but I am going to be showing you the room. We have a room in the South Tower. I'll be showing you a tour after I show you the tour of the Fresh Harvest Buffet. I was concerned because there were so many people in line. I'm like, this is going to be chaos when we all get in there, but they let everybody in very slowly, so it really wasn't bad. We're going to go find our assigned table, and then we are going to go on a food tour. Let's start with desserts. Oh my gosh, I am on keto right now, and I have to be completely honest, I'm not sure if I'm going to be on the keto diet when I leave this room. This stuff looks amazing. I'm going to do a full walk around of all the food before I decide what I'm going to choose. Hard Rock has one of the 2 only buffets that are in Atlantic City, at least that I know of. If anybody knows of any other buffets, I know Golden Nugget has something over at the Chart House on Sundays, or maybe it's Saturdays and Sundays in the summer. It's more of a brunch, but I don't think there's any other buffets that I know of anyway. I know Tropicana used to have one, but it hasn't opened again. So this is it. This and Borgata. The Borgata buffet has breakfast, lunch, brunch, and dinner. This is just dinner. They also have a special night for seafood, but they have a big seafood spread here as well. I saw some folks with huge plates of like just shrimp and clams. If you like seafood, this is a really good value. Plus all your traditional home style meals, macaroni and cheese, green beans, potatoes, really good variety. You could get fresh cut meat. I always enjoy this too. This is kind of what I call picnic food, but it's like all those good things that you get at a picnic: coleslaw, macaroni salad, potato salad. They have all that too. In the mood for some hearty Thanksgiving food? Check, they got that covered. And cheese sauce. We are staying here for 2 nights and my mom has the same offer, so we might have to come here again. You can find the Fresh Harvest Buffet on floor 2 by the convention area. And would you look at what we have here? There's more. This place is just so huge. There's so much variety. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jennifer Sparks, and I like to film my adventures to help others make better plans about their future adventures. If you want to see more about Atlantic City, I'll leave some playlists at the end of this video. Stuffed peppers, ravioli, and sweet potato gnocchi. That was one of my favorites. I love this. I tried this too. It was a chicken piccata, but the chicken was breaded and fried. It was very interesting. There is also a large selection of Indian and Asian food as well, and a few different types of pizzas to try. The price of the buffet also comes with drinks: coffee, tea, soda, water, things like that, but alcoholic beverages, like everywhere else, is extra. Coming up soon, we're going to have the room tour of the South Tower. Don't go anywhere, we have a lot to see. I still don't know what to eat. There's vegetables, there's meats. I could totally stay on this diet, but there's also crepes and desserts and a whole array of different soups. Tomato soup, chicken noodle. They had egg drop soup, New England clam chowder, a lot of stuff. And look at these desserts. They put out more desserts. Like, really? You want me to stick to this keto diet? Oh my gosh, apple cobbler and bread pudding. All right, I think I made up my mind. We're gonna take a break today from this diet. Oh, wow, they even have ice cream in all different flavors. I apologize if this all feels a little wacky and out of order. I was trying to do the filming where I wasn't annoying other people. I don't want to be filming these items when other people want to be eating these items. So I kind of go away from the traffic. If everyone's over there, I go over here. So like I said, I apologize if this is a little out of order. Has anything struck your fancy yet? What would you try first? And do you come to this buffet? What are some of the things you enjoy to eat here? Now I'm going to show you what I chose to eat. There's going to be 4 plates of food. I had salad, macaroni and cheese, sweet potato gnocchi, General Tso's chicken. I had to get the crepe. It was so good. This was the chicken piccata and the stuffed peppers. I didn't eat all of it, but I tried it all, and I liked most of it. And there was dessert. The dessert had to happen again. Had to try it all. We are leaving now, and there still is a line to get in. I'm not sure what this is, but there was a kiosk for the Fresh Harvest Buffet. If you buy your thing ahead of time, do you have to wait in line? I'm not really sure. Now I'm going to give you a tour of our room in the South Tower. I don't typically stay in the South Tower. I'm always staying in the North Tower, but this is cool to try it. My mom really likes to stay here because it's very close to the casino, and that's where she likes to be. She is actually there right now while I'm doing this voiceover. I gotta say, now that I stayed in the South Tower, it's really not bad. Size-wise, the rooms are the same. I think the North Tower rooms are a little nicer. I like the walk to the North Tower, and that's what a lot of people don't like, is the walk to the North Tower. Good things about the South Tower is it's closer to the casino, and it's in the same building as the gym and the pool. So if you want to go swimming a lot, this is very convenient. Otherwise, North Tower, you have to walk everywhere for everything. But it's a very nice walk, and I really just enjoy the peace and tranquility of going there. The elevators here are horrendous. They're terrible, the South Tower. I was literally in an elevator with like 20 people today, and it scared the hell out of me. You don't get that in North Tower. It's not that busy, and it just runs much smoother. But the rooms here are nice, and they even have a sofa that the North Towers don't have. So that's kind of cool. Everything's, updated. It's clean. It's not broken. It's in good shape. Some hotels in Atlantic City, there are bad towers and good towers. This one, I can't say that one is better. It's all boils down to the walk and the peace and quiet. Basically, you like peace and quiet, stay in the North Tower. If you want to be close to everything, stay in the South Tower. Still ahead, I'm going to take you outside, and we're going to go check out to see what's going on and what is open on the boardwalk right now here in April, almost May. Also, I'm going to be taking you to the casino, and later in the video, I'm going to be taking you to the lobby bar, and we're going to be checking out the band. So stick with me. I love hanging with you and hearing from you. I really appreciate each and every one of you that are subscribed to my channel. And how about this bathroom? The bathroom's beautiful. It's very large and has a door that rolls. My mom was down the casino, and I was up here filming and waiting for our luggage to arrive. This is new to me. I always move my own bags around, but I gotta say, I'm really getting used to this. We had bell service just come. Piece of cake. I mean, it took literally 5 minutes. I mean, so great. I usually bring my stuff back and forth myself, and it takes so much time, and the elevators in the South Tower are difficult, so this was fantastic. I highly recommend using bell service. And with that being said, let's go find my mama and go to the casino. I've been really digging this Ultimate X poker, but unfortunately it wasn't a very good poker day for me, so we're gonna move on. I've never seen this game before. Let's go check it out. I like magical towers. It looks captivating. Unfortunately, it wasn't a great choice, though it could have been fun. It wasn't winning anything, so we're gonna move on. Let's go visit Vanna.
For now, come back soon and we'll do it again.
I think this might have been my biggest win of the day. It's now about 6, 7 o'clock at night. This is like my favorite time of day. It's just beautiful out in the boardwalk, so I want to take you out there to go check it out and see what's open now. We're using the exit by Sound Waves and the Sugar Factory. The editing is going to be minimal in the next half of this video. I really want to give you an idea how it sounds in Atlantic City, out on the boardwalk and inside by the lobby bar. The seagulls were out in full force and were very chatty, and all the beaches were closed by Hard Rock. People were finding beach though. There was a lot of sunburnt people on our elevator. If you're enjoying this video, can you do me a favor and please hit that like button? Just hit that little button there. It costs nothing. It just lets YouTube know that, you enjoyed the video. It helps my channel's algorithm, brings a smile to my face, and brightens my day. So thank you very much. It's about 7 o'clock now, and that's when the bands start at the lobby bars. So I'm going to go there and see if I could grab a seat at the poker bar. I circled it several times with little luck. So I'm going to go walk around and see if I find a game that interests me that's close enough that I can still hear the band. There are slot machines that are pretty close by. One of my favorite things about the Hard Rock is the live music 7 nights a week, every single night. Fantastic. Other things I enjoy is the location. It's perfect. The location is fantastic. And the staff. The staff is, I think, personally the best in Atlantic City. I love them. They are so personable, so friendly. I have not yet encountered a bad staff member at Hard Rock. Well, this is not working out. There are no seats for me at the bar, so I'm going to venture out to the casino and come back a little bit later. We're going to play some games, some of my favorites. I immediately got the bonus round on Super Wheel, so I guess it was meant to be. Nothing terribly exciting.
Wasn't that great?
Had a little luck on Ocean Magic. Back at the bar, it's getting a little busy in here. They're having a big convention here this week. Sure, this weekend's gonna be a blast at Hard Rock. Motley Crue is playing the arena Friday and Saturday, and the week after Kelly Clarkson's playing, so I'm sure this place is gonna be super fun. And this weekend as well, Godsmack's gonna be at Ocean, so Atlantic City is going to be rocking this weekend. Always a fun night at the lobby bar and all of the Hard Rock Hotel. This place is great. I'm going to go back to the South Tower and get some sleep. We have another full day ahead of me tomorrow. I'll have a separate video for that day. For more information about the Hard Rock Hotel, I'll leave my playlist at the end of this video. I come here quite often, mostly stay in the North Tower, and I just enjoy sharing my experiences through video. It's wonderful being on a trip with my mama. We have 2 nights here, and then we're going to Wildwood for 2 nights. We used to go there when I was a kid. It's going to bring up a lot of nice memories. Check out my playlist right here for more information about Atlantic City and the Hard Rock. Whatever you do, just book that trip. It's awesome here. And pack your bags and go. Be well to yourself, kind to others, safe travels to you, and good luck in the casinos.